Hey guys, the Rough Ranger here, back with another video, and today we're gonna go ahead and watch some footage we did today. I will be showing you that, and we will be narrating it along the way while we're watching it. So, this is a vlog. Kind of a vlog. We're doing a wildfire vlog thing here, so I hope you guys enjoy this video. So we're gonna go ahead and watch it now. So yeah, so thank you for subscribing. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video if you haven't already. So let's go ahead and watch this video. Alright, so we're driving down the road. And this is 2 miles from our house. You can see some of the burned trees over there. And we took the truck, so we're driving down this road, and you can see there's burned trees right over there. Yep, there's burned trees right over there, guys. It's weird because it like jumped around the house. It's weird. And it didn't burn on that right side. As you can see, guys, it's just dead weeds and stuff. So. Remember, it burned over there, over that ridge. And then there was a car coming down. And then you can see those trees burned. Right there, all those trees burned. There's some green trees still standing, but a lot of that burned. And over there it burned too. Over there on that ridge it burned. And like that house is still standing. I'm like, what? It's impossible. Some people did stay. They didn't evacuate. They stayed and they helped fight the fire. And there you go. There's trees that burned around that house. And the house is still standing. It's amazing. And then on the right side going down here, we have the trees burned. All the fence posts are burned there too. That's why the fence is falling over. And as you can see, the fire burned those trees right there. And there's burned trees up there. And there's burned trees right there. All that got burned. It jumped right there. I don't know how it did it, but it jumped right there. And it must have stopped before it went farther. And it burned all that over there too. And it burned the grass. And then it like stopped there, which was weird. And then it left all that green on the left side. And then it burned more. And then on the right side over there, where I turned the camera, it didn't burn anything. And then it stopped right there. Stopped burning right there. And so yeah, that's the end of the video, guys. And it's amazing how the fire went around the houses and it didn't even touch the houses. It's amazing. There are a few houses that got burned on the highway over on the other side of the road. Over on the other side of that ridge where all those trees were burned. Over there, there's a few houses that got burned. But like a lot of it was spared. Yeah, so hope you guys enjoyed this video.